Hello, bonsoir mes amours, comment nous y? Depuis nous nous tout connaissons content, moi sourire, la joie dans le cœur, tout ça. Comment nous est fanatique moi, so j'ai nous puis lui. Comment famille, comment on a passé pour aller là, ça n'a pris une shopping, quand on a spend l'argent mesdames, right? Quand on a fait nous n'a clairé, on a fait tout bagaille. So je dis à nous get Sophie avec nous qui compte en ville.
Outfit check. Mommy go first.
Okay, she want me to talk first. So je dis à nous comme ça que
No,
ça fait
outfit check.
So je dis à c'est birthday. Il y a une petite moi, oh my god, je suis content, je suis réjoui, petite moi va le fêter. Nous qui côté nous va la Chuck E. Cheese. So, nous avons des amis nous va le pick up. Après ça me oublié cake là, va le prendre. Zami yo, vous connaissez ça nous même, moi pas YouTube. So, moi aime nous en pile. Nous va vivre avec moi toute cette ambiance, toute ces bagaille qui pourra le passer en dedans Chuck E. Cheese avec Mr. Jojo, right? And so.
Oh, first we gotta do an outfit check so people can see what you're wearing. And one of y'all questions is why am I wearing a sweater to Chuck E. Cheese? Y'all think I might have a shirt and a pants, but that's wrong. Y'all wrong. I have a muddy dress on, and then this like short sweater, and then my mom. Let me turn the camera. Have a red shirt, and then have white pants, and then have white shoes, white heels. Wow. Tell me how is that happening?
Come on, guys, don't listen to her.
Comment down below who outfit's better, cause I know it's mine. I know it's mine. Yeah.
You won?
Yeah. I already won. So comment down below. Comment down below qui regarde who aimait best. Is it me or say my mom? So y'all gonna comment down below. It's gonna be me, of course. I'm just
That's okay, I'm not gonna be jealous. I'm jealous. Say how do you remember?
I'm
jealous, right, guys? Et bien, ça m'a mis en après tout à l'heure, ok? Les amis, c'est comme ça, birthday là commencé. Nous et Jojo. Happy birthday, Jojo! Look at me, Jojo. Jojo drive a car. Chucky! Jojo, it's fun. Hey. Yeah. You wanna do it again? You press your cord like this. Do like this. Okay? Press the red button. Press the red button. Press it. Press it fully. Yes. Good job. Good job, Jojo. Le petit moun a joué là. Tout le monde a joué. So, c'est la vie. Joël a bien passé. Là, la grand-mère là. Grand-mère a bien veillé là. Merci, madame, non, oui? Et celle qui comme ça, oui? Voici mon hi. You like it, Joel? Oh, no, don't take it off. Don't take it off. Oh, my God. Okay, where you want to go next? Come to Chuck E. Cheese car. Jojo, let's go to Chuck E. Cheese car. Let's go to Chuck E. Cheese car. Come on, come right here. Come on here. Come in. Come over here. Chuck E. Cheese. Come to Chuck E. Cheese. No, go. Tare, monte. Go. Oh. Okay. Ow. It's your day, baby. Enjoy. You ready? Okay, press.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Stay seated.
Oh yes. Woo! Chauffeur, merci belle. Chauffeur. Chauffeur. Leave it, Jojo. Drive. Drive your car. You are Chuck E. Cheese. Look at you. Chucky. right, Chucky? Wait, it's finished. It's not finished? Okay, you don't want that? Di ba even? Joel ba even machine Chucky ali même. Oh, merde. You want that one? Okay, hold on. No. Wait, it's finished. Okay, come here. I know Joel me say. Joel pang Miss Chucky. I don't see one. Be careful, Papa. Okay. This is what you like? Vous savez, Joel va me bite mon petit même. Non, mes amis, il y a no problème. I don't see one. Oh. Okay, mettez. Yeah. And then you need to press, Joel. Press that. Passe-le encore. Okay, Joel. Why you started? We'll just sing what? No, Mama, that's enough. Why is that? Okay. Woo! Oh my God! Look at him. Oh! It's your birthday! Woo-hoo! Joel drive. Uh-oh. Wow, you're a good driver, Jojo. You see, Joel is a good driver. No. Uh-oh. Oh, why you stop? You ready? Yay! You want more? Come on, Joel. Oh my God, Joel go everywhere. Pase, buddy. Mama move. Oh my God. Look at Joel. You drive a motorcycle? Yes, motorcycle. I see you. You gonna give me a ride? Okay. Yes. You want more? Where you wanna go? Where? Uh-oh. Again? I don't machine ou ne papa. Je ne machine ça va sécuriser. Okay, press the bottom. Press the bottom. Press it harder. Okay. Joel drive a big giant car. Ooh, go ahead, Joel. Go ahead, drive. Be careful. Look. Uh-oh. Bad driver. Come on, look what you're doing. Uh-oh, look at the driver. Yeah. Go ahead. Ooh, go. Go. Oh, game is over. You lost. You want more? Okay, press. Wait. Okay. Come on. Oh, yes. Say hi, everybody. I'm John. Yeah, watch out, watch out. Go ahead, go ahead. Uh-oh, it's over. Why it's over? It's over? What's going on? You want more? Okay, I'll give you more. Okay. Okay. All right. Come on, go, Joel. Yeah. Press this one, Jojo. Press this one. Put your feet on it. No, no. Yes, yes. Look, look. Yeah, go, go. Press it, press it. Put your feet. Yeah. Oh, okay, maybe man. Oh. Yeah. Put your feet, put your feet. Put your feet. Go ahead, go ahead. Put your feet. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Can we value that? Okay. No, 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 no. Leave the baby. Let's. Jojo, Jojo, hey. Hold on. It's far. Okay, you ready now? Yeah, go, 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 go. Petite m'a fêté tout. Et alors? Es-tu madame Noël? Et mamie, oui? Là, tout le monde a gagné la maison. Yes, it's this one. Yay! Yay! Mes amis Joël, c'est celle machine la boule. Mes amis Joël, c'est machine ni remè. What happened? Yeah, chita là. C'est machine seulement next à remè dans ville encore. Machine, machine. Tout à fait, c'est machine. Rien n'y cause. Mais machine seulement qui est intéressée. Ouais, problème? Yes, that's my table. The one got 3 on it. The food is in there?
Yeah, we did our announcement.
Oh, you don't tell me that.
Oh, we did our announcement, so everybody can hear.
Oh, maybe I don't pay attention. Let me call the kids. Okay, thank you. Maman, relate to me. Tu as fait manger. Uh-oh.
These kids are sitting I mean, they could be flying. Do you want me to go
Thank you.
taking a while.
Let's keep dancing. Follow me, it's cold outside, and let's all do the play at our Winter Winterland celebration. I'll be back again to dance soon. Happy holidays, everyone!
Everyone can have Buzz Lightyear. Who wants Buzz Lightyear cake?
Ah, the music stop. Non, y a manger. The wings coming, guys. Wings coming. Jojo, 3 years old. Jojo.
Anybody want to try?
Happy birthday, Jojo. 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 Almost passé là.
Buzz Lightyear cake.
Chicken na vini. You're welcome. You're welcome, my love. You're welcome, my love. Oh, you love the party? Good. Guys, you got chicken. You don't want chicken? Make some chicken for Joel. Oh.
If you have patient number 14, please
Yeah.
pick up your food in the window. If you have patient number 14, please pick up your food in the window. Thank you.
Mr. Barbecue chicken gone.
Get the sauce between us. Joel, come in. Come sit down and eat first. Et jouer le besoin à jouer. Non, non, bal barbecue, qu'est-ce que c'est spicy? Yeah. Bal barbecue chicken. You want spicy one? And you don't want you want spicy chicken? Huh? What do you want? You want a spicy one? I mean, get whatever you want. Get it. You want to play? Yeah, I'll get the chickens over. And then, yes, and then also when they come in inside with Chucky. When? 1 minute? Because my son ready to play. He don't want to stay. He don't want to play. Okay, no problem. Joel, come in. Come over here.
John, which cake do you want?
Maybe a shovel.
Mom, you want the one with the strawberry?
With the owner of a rusty pickup truck with a license plate reading G00D, D0G, please move your vehicle. It is part of the loading zone. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, may I have your attention, please? If you are here for a reserved birthday party, please make your way back to your table. Once again, all big party guests, please return to your table. It's almost time for the Chuck E. Cheese's Birthday Star Spectacular! Hey, that's falling cake. Can I have a slice of that cake? Sure, but I think the microphone is still on. Sorry about that, folks. Once again, Chuck E. Cheese's Birthday Star Spectacular begins soon, so get ready. Okay.
Huh? Oh, manger le dit bon, oui. Joel, come in, come in. You got your cake, come in.
Sorry, I had to move my truck. All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Jasper.
Bye, Mama, Kopla.
Chucky's best pal. My birthday's on August 26th. How are things looking out there, Jasper? Things are getting really exciting, Chucky. I see our...
Joel, no. Don't touch it, come in.
Everyone's
come in.
enjoying pizza, playing games, and I see lots of smiles and laughter.
No, come in, Ashita. It's coming, the cake coming.
Looks like we got about 3 minutes.
Come.
That's right. There's only 3 minutes until Chuck E. Cheese's birthday star spectacular.
No, wait. Go sit down. Guys, this is Joel cake.
I'm Helen Henning.
This is Joel. Hey, no, Joel. Don't touch it. Wait.
Birthday at Chuck E. Cheese's is playing
This
all
is Joel
my
cake.
favorite games.
I love it.
Tell, I'm kind of a gamer.
Okay, party
Come on,
service.
Jojo.
Tell us, who are today's Chuck E. Cheese's birthday stars?
Hold on. Ready?
All right. Well, let's have a big round of applause for our Chuck E. Cheese's birthday star.
Come on, Jojo.
Everyone, it's time to bring out you-know-who. Help me use attention and shout along with me. Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese.
What would you
Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese.
It is
Chuck
a
E.
great
Cheese.
pleasure to
Chuck E. Cheese.
introduce to
Chuck
you
E.
our
Cheese.
master of
Oh, come on, Jojo. Yay! No. Go, me Chucky. Woo! Jojo, Chucky! Jojo, come on! Chucky! It's Chucky!
Let's always be stars of birthday. Chucky's birthday. 1, 2, 3. I think we can do better than that. Come on, Chucky, give it everything you got. Again, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Much better. But I still think we can get a little louder.
Jojo, stay right here. To Chucky, see you.
1,
2, 3. Come on.
Time for the Chuck E. Cheese birthday song and dance.
That's right now.
Let me see, Chucky.
This is my favorite part of the show.
You're gonna
All
dance.
right, everyone. You heard Helen and Jasper. It's time for the Chuck E. Cheese birthday song and dance. Don't worry, the steps are really easy. You don't even have to be a good dancer. The important thing is that we're all having fun. Just follow me, and here we go. We say happy, you say birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Your hands. Now stomp your feet. It's time to dance. Play your guitar. Rocking out and having fun. Your birthday star. Put your hands up. With Chuck E. Cheese. With it left, with it right, and now you breathe. We say right, everyone. It's now time to sing happy birthday to these incredible birthday stars. Count down with me from 10.
Come on,
and
Joel.
we'll all sing together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Let Joel. Joel. Happy birthday to you. Jojo, come here. Stay right here. Joel. No, no, now.
Birthday party to rhythm. Party is over. I'll be coming around and grab a picture of you. So make sure you.
Okay, that's okay. Cut it for him.
I cut the top of it.
Okay. Sophia says chef coupe cake. Who's that for? For you, Jojo.
We're just getting a small one.
Okay. Joel, I want the Chucky come in. It's Chucky. Can you take a picture of my son, please? Where's Joel? Where's Joel? Where's Joel? Joel, come here. Stay with Chucky. He's a birthday boy. Oh, Brian, go to Chucky. Jojo, bien fêté à Chucky. I gotta know their card. Bumsa. Jojo, je vais la jouer, maman. Ooh. Take your hand, Jojo. You ready, Jojo? Yeah. Hey, Jojo, Jojo. Come on! Get oh my God! Oh my God!
I didn't even know when it started.
Oh my God! Joel, you don't take nothing. Oh my God, that's fun. That's fun. We are going back to him. Another.
Yeah, me I tell you, I tell. Oh, not fair.
Oh, we see it.
Allez, prends l'autre bord, bagaille. Maman, maman, c'est quoi de vous n'allez? Oh my God, Joel, you fun. Come in, Jojo. Come in, get your prize. Come in, get your prize, Jojo. Come over there. Come over here. Stay right here. I don't know what prize Sophie Joel gonna get. I don't know.
Yeah, Jack has 9.
Update to 1 penny cash.
How many do you have, Nuna? Let me see.
I don't know.
Let me see. I'm gonna tell you.
Joel, what do you want? Excuse me.
Mommy, I dropped my birthday pass. The birthday one.
Where?
It's gonna be a really long line. Stand right here with
She dropped a birthday bracelet inside the.
The ticket last year.
Hi guys, Lisa and Jack, come with me. Guys, get in line.
Look. What should I
Did you get something
Oh, Mom, can I buy these?
I don't know.
It's just like $1. Mom, it's like
Oh no, Joel, Joel, come here, come here. Come in, stay right here. Sorry. Hey, come in, Joel. She's coming. Come in.
Lisa, what do you want?
Okay.
900.
Where's your card, Brian? Give him those. They check all the card now.
You guys combine and get the
Where's your friend, Sophia? Where'd she go? She don't finish a card yet? Sophia, she not finished a card yet?
Oh, no, I didn't finish mine.
You got money on your card?
Yeah.
You still got money on it? $35 plus he got 2 cards.
One didn't have any tickets on it, and the other one has
6? That means the other one don't use? He's not using it at all, or which one is not using?
This still has time left on it. It has 6 tickets.
60 ticket? But he still got some left.
Yes.
What about this?
This still has time left.
It's time left? Okay. You're not done yet, Brian. You want to finish it?
We don't have anything on the cards.
You need to finish your card. Yes, finish your card first. Keep those. Okay, that's the birthday boy. And then you got 2 tickets. He said he got more. Good job, Jojo. And then I take this one went out too. I don't know what Joel gets, so hopefully he got something special.
We said the same thing. Nunu's drink, Nunu's ball.
Birthday.
It looks like you have like at the beginning you get 930.
Okay, so Jack wants Fortnite.
Joel, come here.
What do you want, Nunu? What do you want that's like? No, I know.
Cotton candy.
It's finished?
Cotton candy. Not cotton candy. 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 It's cotton candy. Okay.
Yeah, 2,146.
What you can get for 2,000?
I just get $20 and I can
It was one of those. What is this? Helicopter? Legos. It's 3 years old.
You want the helicopter?
Yeah, helicopter. Ooh. Okay, it still got some in the car? No? That's why Joel get.
Yeah, 146 left.
100? Which one? Both of them?
You want me to put it on one card?
Yeah, put it in one card. Thank you. That's why Joel get. Jojo! Where's my birthday boy? There you go.
And I buy this title, it goes like $50. And I bought this for
him. I bought this for him, y'all.
Okay, open now. Open the gift now. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Open. Open, Jojo. Open your gift.
Okay.
Open.
It's the gift from me. So,
Open.
like, you know.
Joel, open the gift right now.
Wait.
Is that cooking gift?
Wait, what is that?
No.
Wait, my mom made that.
Oh.
Oh, that's how to make a monster truck.
Okay, gonna make master chop.
Jojo,
Yeah.
I bought that for you, Papa Joe.
Oh, you love it, Jojo?
I like it.
You like it? No, open this. Open this.
Open it.
Yeah, I know my mom bought that.
Yeah. Open that.
I'm gonna say that he said no.
Jojo, here you go. Oh, whoa. Wait, be careful, be careful.
Your sister help you?
Let me help you. Let me help you so you don't break it. Like that thing.
Oh my God.
Okay. Jojo, Cherry.
You
Ryan,
cannot
go give the
open?
present that you wanted to give Mom. Oh yeah, true.
No, not today. Let Jojo enjoy the presents. No, Sophia, how you open like that? Why you leave the paper in the back?
Watch.
What is it?
What is it? We're going to find out. Here you go.
Come on.
Here we
Go.
Reveal it. In 3, 2,
1. Ta-da! Oh my God. Jojo, you got a tablet now. Probably we keep well do.
2, 1.
Oh my God. You got your tablet, Jojo. That's awesome.
Look!
You got your charger. No, go put in charge right now.
Let me fix it.
Your sister helping you. How you fix those things?
That's the holder.
Oh,
So that's probably oh, it goes here.
here? I think you put it warm.
I'm gonna go water on the basement.
Guys, that's a beautiful thing. I'm prepared for my Jojo.
Oh, you looking so. Okay, let's
Toute zami miyo, toute fami miyo, tout ki va partager vidéo. Mwen di nou merci, jodi a fait petit mwen ta fêté birthday li, mwen senti mwen content. Mwen senti mwen réjoui pour grâce à bon Dieu fait. Li won l'autre année encore. Gan pile ti mwen ki ta mouri ki nan même nan javel. Gan pile ti mwen ki l'hôpital, gan pile ti mwen ki nan oxygène. Bon Dieu fait grâce. Li won l'autre année encore. Son bénédiction, son grâce. Je dis bon Dieu merci. Moi dis merci à tout le monde qui va regarder la vidéo, qui va partager, qui va like, qui va commenter. So merci, bon Dieu béni nous. Continuez à partager, continuez à abonner. Share avec votre amis. Merci à plus de passion. Bonne soirée, bon Dieu béni nous. Bye bye.